Hey, good morning, you guys. Happy Thursday. It is Thursday morning here. Almost 7. Yes, it's 7 o'clock now. I'm just heading up to get the bus. Head to work. Sidewalk. Slowly. Pedestrian use other sidewalk. Slowly. Do it on the top side. Look at it. Alright. It's been very mild the last few days, so much so that all of our snow is starting to melt, which is fantastic. Spring is almost here. That's how I must say that's the city of Burlington reflecting, because city trucks are driving by. Kind of hard to get across the street now. Very busy. But yeah, definitely gonna keep on trying here. I'm just gonna wait. I'm at the crosswalk. Oh, right, crossing the road. So yeah, we had some crazy weather. We had snow, and then we got freezing rain. It was crazy. It was frozen. And then all of a sudden, it was like super mild. So we started getting warmer temperatures. It was really windy at first. It was very windy today and in the last 2 days. It was 5 degrees here. It was awesome. So all the snow that we're getting, it's just so to be like be up here. And it's like nothing. I got my coat down. It's just boss. Bring it down and stay and make it here and hopefully it's the end of it. I was done with snow, that last snowstorm we got kind of yeah, today I'm on my way to work, 7:30 to 3 today, 8 quarters, and yeah, I should be here soon. Alright, guys, in a little while. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. Oh wow, what's going on, you guys? Holy moly, it's been a crazy day today. Just started off crazy, and it's been just crazy throughout the whole day. I just finished up my lunch. Well, I finished at 1:30. I had to break my lunch, and then now I'm just doing the afternoon portion of the services. One of our groups, they just canceled their coffee, just want their cookies, so I'm doing that right now. And then I've got a coffee service and another service at 3 o'clock. Pretty crazy today, like I said. Like the saying is, it's been pretty crazy. Apparently it's really nice out. I haven't even gone to see what it looks like out there. Just too preoccupied today. Just caught my breath and I was like, oh, I haven't come on yet. But yeah, not much. Yeah, just like I said, just running around today. Haven't heard from the girls. I think they're doing okay at school. Talked to Kathy for a bit today. Things are going okay there. And yeah. But yeah, I'm gonna get my stuff finished, and I'll catch with you guys in a little while. All right? Cheers. All right. Well, I'm just outside. First time all day. And this is what we have left for the snow. It looks like someone took our picnic table. We usually have a picnic table right here. I have a feeling that might be our picnic table over there. That one. I don't know. Yeah. There's like no snow left. It's so crazy down here right now. So there's the Skyway. There's all the traffic on it. There's the pier. And yeah. And the lake. So yeah, that's what's going on. Alright, I've got it on myself here now. So I'm just taking a quick little breather. Just because I need some fresh air, man. Not gonna lie. running around today and just kicked my butt. So thought I'd come out here quickly, just get some air, and yeah. Just did a bunch of services. Just did the services. I've got one for 3 o'clock left, and that's it. Well, it starts at 3, but I'm gonna bring it out for 2:45, and that's just a coffee, and they wanted hummus, individual hummus, and hot pita chips. So that's that one, and that's at 2:45. All right. Well, I'm gonna shut this off. I'm gonna get back inside, and yeah, I'll see you guys in a little while. All right. Take care. Oh, there's Kathy coming to pick me up. Hi, Ella. Hey, what's up, you guys? So I'm back here at home, and today is over, officially done. It's just been one of these days where it's just been crazy. I guess the girls had a rough day today. Emily had a rough day. You guys could hear her probably in the background. She's in there with Kathy right now. She's just being she just wants mommy. It's just been, yeah. The day after Valentine's Day is usually a little bit crazy because they're just hopped up on sugar all day yesterday, and then candy and stuff, and then today has just been, it's been like a roller coaster day today. For myself too at work, and then with Kathy, because having to look for paperwork and look for stuff, and then doctor's trips, and it's just been a crazy day for this happy Canadian family. They're off school tomorrow. They have a PD day, and then they're off on Monday. Monday is a holiday here in Ontario. It's family day. I still have to work. I have to work breakfast, and then I'm working tomorrow, 12 to 7. So it's gonna be a long one, but I'm just gonna be doing some refreshing and stuff. And yeah, like today was just a crazy day. I got locked out at the hotel when I was outside. I couldn't get back in because my door card wouldn't work, so I had to walk around from the back where the lake is to the front of the hotel. And the snow is melting. It's mild. It's still like gloomy and blah, but yeah, it's just crazy. Tomorrow's Friday, then it's the weekend. Hopefully we'll be able to do some stuff this weekend. We'll see. If it's nice out, we might go out somewhere. I don't really know, but yeah. Other than that, not much else is going on in the world. I saw some of the Olympics today. Hockey. I saw some of the hockey and stuff. So far, the Olympics are pretty good. It's just one of these days. Like, it's just a weird day. I got in on a couple live chats. I watched some videos. Replied to some comments. Type I did on my lunch break. I was watching some Sean Rocketbox's vlogs, videos on my lunch break today. Got in a couple of live streams. Played some good tunes today. I had the Rolling Stones on. Today was Rolling Stone Day. But yeah, now it's just nice to get home, eat some dinner, give the girls, I'm probably going to give them a bath tonight. They've had a rough day, a nice bath, just rejuvenate them. And then pet this little huggable kitty right here. Who
doesn't want to be on the camera, but you guys can't. I don't know if you guys can see her. She's right here. Hola. The bed hug. The bed hug a hug. Hey, Lila. Meow. Meow. And then our other cat, Peppermint, is having, I think it's the food we got. It's not helping her system. So it's just, it's giving her the runs, basically, is how to put it. Like, if you guys are pet owners, you know, the cats or dogs, they have improper food or something in their food. It's different. So she's having problems digest. I don't know if she's digesting it and it's just coming out wrong, runny or what. But yeah. Anyway, I'm gonna end the vlog because the girls are having a problem out there in the living room with Kathy. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. We'll see you guys tomorrow, and bye for now.